Hi everyone. Today, I want to share with you how I am using ChatGPT in my daily life. I plan to create a function that converts a list of tuples to a map with string keys and list values. However, I decided to use ChatGPT instead of writing the code myself. Let's see how well ChatGPT was able to implement this. Although ChatGPT is not highly advanced at the moment, it can still be used as an AI helper for writing code. Instead of searching for information on Google, we can ask ChatGPT for assistance. Similarly, I utilized ChatGPT to create a Google Chrome extension that could read and display selected text on a web page. I was impressed by how ChatGPT was able to accurately implement the function I had described to it, generating the necessary code and even providing detailed instructions on how to create and import the extension into Chrome. Overall, ChatGPT proved to be a valuable resource in the development process, saving me time and effort as I worked on my project.
OpenAI's alignment research focuses on training AI systems to be helpful, truthful, and safe. Our team is exploring and developing methods to learn from human feedback.
ChatGPT can be a useful tool in our daily lives to help us complete tasks and get things done. Thank you for watching and learning more about it.